What do we have on here? Let's see. TH3 inspired building blocks. AC basic clean. AC top basic clean. See what this sounds like. Adding it to it. I haven't used this in a while. I almost forgot how to use it. Let me see. Let's do delete. Let's try that. That's crazy, isn't it? Oh, I kind of like that. All right, so anyway, so I'm working with this, and as you can see, I'm getting a decent sound. And like I said, you can adjust any of these parameters. I can move, you know, the pedal in front of the amp or in front of the cabinet, whichever. I have a AQTX spring reverb that's at the bottom, and I can turn that on and off if I don't want it on. Normally, you can use two mics. I see mic B right here, but I'm not quite sure why it's grayed out. Hold on, replace properties. Replace with, and I can replace the cabinet too as well if I wanted to. Let's try the British State UK. All right. And then you can move the mics around. This is what I really like too as well. So you can move the line up, you can move the mic in, you can zoom out so you can see everything. You can zoom all the way in if you want to adjust something. You can add extra components. So it's like you create your own little rig. And then of course, I believe you can save this too as well. Yeah, save down there. So I press save, right? Okay, well, I was expecting something to pop up. I guess not. All right, well, maybe you can't save this particular one. I don't know, maybe because I haven't adjusted or did anything. This is called the rich tone, I think. Yeah, rich tone, basically. All right, so yeah, so down there you can click on, oh, here's some empty ones, okay. So I guess I have to click on that, then press save. There we go, rich tone, edit, I'll call it that. So now I can go from here, listen to this one, creative resonance solo. Or I can go back to my rich tone edit, which is, this gives more of a stereo feel, so I kind of like this one. Turn it back on bright. No, I'll keep it on normal. And once again, if I don't like this, I can replace it. Go back to, ooh, the blue box is nice. Seems like I got more clarity, a little bit more fuller. I have used this plugin every now and then, you know, of course, like I said, I don't ever really play guitar that much, but it's really cool, especially for bass. I use it on one of my songs called Song for Praise. So it's really good if you're trying to get a good tone without having to plug up a whole lot of gear going into Cakewalk. Let's see what we got here. Let's clean this up real quick. I'm going to kind of chop off some parts. Press S on the keyboard, it'll split it. Let's do delete right there. I have it set to automatically do a crossfade. You can change that up here where it says enable, disable automatic crossfades. Someone just gave me a tip to say Alt plus. Was it Alt plus? No, I'm sorry, Windows plus. Yeah, and that'll allow you to magnify. So Windows plus, there we go. And then you can see it. So right here, I guess you can see it. Hopefully you can see it good. All right, so this kind of helps, but The magnifying part doesn't work as good, but pressing Windows and plus or Windows and minus allows me to quickly magnify this, so to keep me from doing so much editing. But right here, there's a part that says enable, disable automatic crossfades. Hopefully you can see that. Turn it on or off. All right. You can do all, enable, disable ripple effect, or you can keep it off. All right. So hopefully you were able to see that. You can go, I can go a little fuller. Okay. Yeah. Only thing about that like, it like magnifies the whole entire screen. Hopefully you all was able to see that. I'm not quite sure because I'm looking at OBS on one screen and I'm looking at this screen over here. So I'm recording, capturing this screen to that screen. So hopefully you're able to see that. But anyway, this TH3 is pretty amazing. So I have it cross faded, but I'm going to do even more of a cross fade. Okay. And then let me see if I can put a noise gate on it. You know what? It might even be a gate on the TH3. Let me see something. Does the TH3 have a gate on it? Let's find out. All right, let's go all the way to the end of the chain. And we're going to do components? No. Okay, we're going to do add categories. Does it have a gate? Other, it's got a volume. Let's do a search, see if we can find a gate in here. Okay. Nope, it does not have a gate right here. Equalizer, flanger, phase, reverb, tremolo, vibrato, wah, noise reduction. There we go. Gate expander. All right, so we're gonna add that. We just slide it over, and now you see it's connected to it. So now we can play with that and see what that sounds like. Let's put this. Let's put this on loop. Let's say like right here, maybe. Drag that over, loop that.